Mia from Mia's World, and welcome back to our channel. Today, Mr. Ariel Drone and I have boarded Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas for a 7-night Eastern Caribbean sailing, round trip, Port Canaveral. We will be leaving today. Our departure time is between 4 and 4:30. I'm not exactly sure. Tomorrow will be our first sea day. After that, we will be in Labadee, Haiti. The following day, we will be in San Juan, Puerto Rico. The day after that, we will be in St. Thomas. We will round up with another sea day, and our final day aboard the Wonder of the Seas, we will spend in Perfect Day at Coco Cay. And then we will return back here at Port Canaveral on next Sunday. At this particular time, we are back to our roots. We are back in our usual junior suite. And if you follow us on our YouTube and when we do our videos, I think with the exception of the last sailing, we have always opted for a junior suite, and the stateroom has been 9642. Reason being, this particular stateroom is out on the hump to whereas you have a larger balcony. Hi.
Okay, nice to meet you. My name
Nice
is
to meet you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, no problem.
Okay. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you. Sorry, guys. Set this right here for right now because this lamp does not move. But like I was saying, the staterooms that are located on the hump of the ships, the balconies are much bigger than your normal size junior suite balcony. And you will see that as we round up the junior suite room tour. To my right is the walk-in closet. And guys, I will say, please excuse the fact that we have already unpacked and pretty much made this room comfortable for us. On the left side is the bathroom. On the Wonder of the Seas, the bathrooms do not have a knob like on previous Oasis class ships. They are closed by a magnetic strip. Junior suites come with a shower tub combination, toilet, plenty of storage space. And of course, as you can see, floor length mirrors. Here we have a wardrobe. Your wardrobe is pretty basic. You have your in-room safe. You have your shelving. You have hanging space if need be. And you have your 2 drawers at the bottom. Again, continuing on, junior suites, as usual, come with the Lavazza coffee machine. You also have more drawers for more storage. Here, you have your in-room cooler. You have your desk area with plenty of charging power. You have US and you also have European plugs as well as USB ports. Continuing on each side of the junior suite, you have a lamp that also comes well equipped with a plug and USB ports. And that's rounded up on both sides. In your junior suite, you also have a sitting area, glass table, stationary chair, nice sized television. Wonder of the Seas has adopted a new storage, something where most cruises bring the normal magnetic hooks. They've decided to input their own. Again, junior suite, you have stationary window here, and you have your sliding glass door. Guys, like I told you, this particular stateroom, 9642, is on the hump of the ship, so you can see for yourself the size of the balcony area. Comes with 2 reclining chairs and ottoman, along with a small cocktail table for those of us that like to sit out either in the morning or in the evening, whether we are drinking our coffee, our tea, or enjoying a glass of wine. And there you have it, guys. Mr. Aerial Drone and I have again boarded Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas for a 7-night Eastern Caribbean sailing round trip Port Canaveral. And we will see you in the next video.